Got a new phone today. Just bleached my hair, and Shelby's about to dye it, so...
AOT Pet, what's on deck?
If you have any kind of carry-on items, those will need to be stowed.
Out here in Vegas. It is hot out here today. I brought one pair of pants. I brought 5 t-shirts. Electric Daisy Carnival is by far the coolest festival I've been to in my entire life. Made it back to Arizona. Really not much out here. An oasis. A Chicago-style eatery in the middle of the desert. Like, what is going on here? I made it home. Still out here in the desert. I can't believe I actually got this. I did not think that this would come in literally 3 months. Cheers, people. 100,000. Thank you. I got a big photo shoot today with a fashion designer named Justin LeBlanc. Currently on my way to pick up the clothes now. The photo shoot starts in about 30 minutes. I got a model coming out today. I got a stylist, hair and makeup artist. We'll see how this goes. Photo shoot today went super well. Shout out Kenneth Curson for coming up from Atlanta. Kenneth literally killed it. We had a super good time. I hope you guys enjoyed the images, and if you helped out today, I really appreciate it. Nice denim. 39. Gloomy day, just got back from the thrift shop. Niagara Falls shirt, Buena Vista, Georgia, kind of OG. Disney merch. One of my favorite pieces of the day, it's a long sleeve, the Zucchi Academy Miller High Life. Awesome sweater for the wintertime with a skier on it. And the jeans fit nice, so good day. You got something for me to wear tonight?
Yeah.
We got the cable going up. This is exciting. How you feeling? Tired. Tonight's a big night. Trippie Red is coming to Chicago. Me and a couple friends have been assigned to take pictures and make a video recap of the event. I've always been a fan of Trippie Red, always loved his music. Love Letter to You 1 and 2 were some of my favorite albums. Trippie Red in Chicago should be a good night. Jersey boys. Super. Jersey would be better tonight.